Let's see the beverage preparation method in our MTC semi-automatic machine. First, let's insert the silicone tube into the water can. As soon as the switch turned on, it starts sucking water. We can set temperature from 80 to 90 degree to allow the milk to boil. We shall pour 5 liters of milk into the milk boiler. I have taken 100 grams of tea and 200 grams of coffee. Here I am filling 100 grams of tea. Switching on the brewer. Turned off brewer. Shall fill 200 grams of coffee powder into the coffee brewing vessel. I don't want to brew this side, so I turned it. After each brewing, it's compulsory to off the brewer switch. First, we shall take the hot water. Then we shall take hot milk. Black coffee is ready to serve. Here is tea decoction and milk is being mixed with it for authentic style tea. Tea is ready. Similarly, we can serve milk-based filter coffee. Enjoy your hot brewed beverages with our everyday beverages products.